Welcome to a journey through the animal kingdom. Today, we'll discover some incredible facts about the animals that roam our planet. From the depths of the oceans to the towering peaks of the mountains, let's dive into the world of amazing creatures. Let's start in the vast African savanna, home to some of the most iconic animals in the world. Meet the African elephant, the largest land mammal on Earth. Did you know that elephants can communicate with each other over long distances using low-frequency sounds called infrasound that humans can't hear? These gentle giants are known for their strong social bonds and can live up to 60 to 70. Next, we journey to the lush jungles, where we encounter playful primates. Capuchin monkeys are not only known for their acrobatic abilities, but also their remarkable intelligence. These monkeys use tools in the wild, such as using stones to crack open nuts or sticks to poke for insects. Capuchins live in groups and are extremely social animals. Here, the polar bear reigns supreme. These magnificent predators can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and have fur so thick that it helps them survive extreme temperatures. They are also excellent swimmers, capable of swimming for miles in search of food, particularly seals. Let's dive deep into the ocean, home to countless unique creatures. Meet the clownfish, a small but mighty fish found in the coral reefs. Clownfish have a unique symbiotic relationship with sea anemones. While the clownfish is immune to the sting of the anemone, it provides the anemone with food by attracting prey. In return, the anemone offers the clownfish protect. Now we move to the vibrant and colorful world of the rainforest. Here we find the elusive jaguar. Known for their power and stealth, jaguars are the largest cats in the Americas. With their incredible bite force, they can crush the skulls of their prey, such as capybaras and caimans. Jaguars are solitary animals, often roaming alone in the dense jungle. Finally, let's take a trip to one of the hottest places on Earth, the desert. In the desert, the camel is the undisputed survivor. With its hump storing fat, the camel can go without water for weeks, thriving in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Their thick fur helps regulate body temperature, keeping them cool during the day and warm at night. From the mighty elephant to the tiny clownfish, every animal plays an important role in maintaining the balance of nature. Our world is full of amazing creatures, each with unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in their environments. Remember, the more we learn about these incredible animals,